Have you ever dreamed of living in a home straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, that future is closer than you think. Today, we're diving into the world of smart homes, but we're skipping the over-the-top, gimmicky stuff. We're talking about practical, life-changing gadgets that you'll actually use every single day. These aren't just toys. They're tools to make your life easier, safer, and a whole lot more efficient. So, if you're ready to upgrade your living space, stick around. First up, let's talk about the heart of any smart home: smart speakers and displays. Whether it's a Google Nest Hub or an Amazon Echo Show, these devices are so much more than just speakers for your music. Think of them as your personal assistant. Hey Google, what's the weather today? Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Show me a recipe for lasagna. You can control other smart devices, watch videos while you cook, make video calls to family, and even get a visual of who's at your front door. It's the central command for your entire home. And once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next, let's illuminate your world with smart lighting. This is often the first step people take into smart home tech. And for good reason. Imagine never fumbling for a light switch in the dark again. With smart bulbs, you can control your lights from your phone or with your voice. You can dim them for movie night, change their color to match your mood, or even schedule them to turn on and off when you're on vacation to make it look like someone is home. My favorite trick, setting my lights to slowly brighten in the morning for a gentle, natural wake-up call. It's way better than a blaring alarm clock. Trust me. Now, let's talk security and peace of mind. Smart security cameras and video doorbells are. With a video doorbell, you can see and speak to whoever is at your door, whether you're on the couch or on the other side of the world. No more missed packages or wondering who that mysterious knock was. And with smart cameras inside or outside your home, you can check in on your pets, your kids, or just make sure everything is okay while you're away. The motion alerts give you instant notification of any activity, providing a level of security that was once only available with expensive professional systems. Finally, let's talk comfort and savings with a smart thermostat. This little gadget learns your schedule and preferences, automatically adjusting the temperature to keep you comfortable when you're home and save energy when you're away. You can control it from your phone. So if you're heading home early on a cold day, you can turn up the heat before you even walk in the door. Over time, the energy savings can be significant, meaning this is one smart device that literally pays for itself. It's a win for your wallet and a win for the planet. So there you have it. 4 types of practical smart home gadgets that can genuinely improve your daily life. From the convenience of a smart speaker to the security of a video doorbell, technology is making our homes smarter, safer, and more comfortable. What's your favorite smart home gadget? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on tech that makes life better, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.